Hi guys, so today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Another way I could say this as a chapter. Okay, this chapter is chapter number 7 of science. Okay, class 10th, control and coordination. Okay, let us begin it. So, what is control? Let us first understand what is the meaning of it. Okay, what is control and what is coordination? Okay, control is nothing but it is the power of regulating the action. See, in our daily life we are doing lot many actions, right? So whatever action we are doing, that action is controlled by us. Okay, so that is called as in control. Okay, so let us understand what is the meaning of coordination. Okay, coordination is nothing but it is the working of a different parts of a body to produce reaction to the stimulus. Okay, coordination is nothing but it is the whatever reaction we are doing, whatever our body does reaction, whatever it is. Okay, there is a combination of different parts of our body to do that reaction. There is a combination of different parts of our body. Okay, by this is the whole process which is called as an coordination. Okay, different parts are necessary to, they basically what they do, different parts coordinate to perform some reaction against the stimulus or in response to the stimulus. Okay, so now let us understand what is stimulus. Okay, stimulus is nothing but it is an environmental changes around the organism. Okay, whatever environmental changes occurs or changes around an organism, that is called as a stimulus. Let me give you an example. Okay, so right now if we are going outside somewhere. Okay, so if the temperature rises drastically, if the temperature increases drastically, then what we can observe in that point of view, we can observe that the temperature is rising, right? So there is the increase in the temperature, right, due to the sun's hot or whatever you can take. Okay, so basically there is an increase of temperature, so that is the increase of temperature is the stimulus for us. Okay, so likewise for if I take an example of a plant, changing of pH is also one kind of example that comes under the stimulus for the plant. For plant there is particular minimum or some part of pH is required. I mean to say here optimum pH required for the growth of the plant. Okay, above that or below that the plant gets into stress mode. Okay, so anyways, coming back to the topic, so pH, changing in the pH also have some impact on the plant. Okay, so changing of the pH is the stimulus for the plant. Understood? So now let us understand how does the plant respond to the stimulus, and also we'll understand how does animals respond to the stimulus. Okay, first thing, what is stimulus? We have done means I have cleared you what is stimulus. Okay, you are clear with it, right? So how does plant react to the stimulus? Basically there are some hormones in the plant body. Okay, the hormones like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. Okay, that is what we are going to discuss in other video. Briefly we are going to discuss in other video. For now just we'll understand in plants there are some hormones which helps to perform this reaction against the stimulus. Okay, or performs the activity against the stimulus or in response to the stimulus. Okay, there is some hormones. Okay, but what in the case of animals? Basically in animals there is involvement of two parts. I would say here there is involvement of hormones and nervous system. In animals, in response to the stimulus, animals react. Okay, animals react. For that reaction, for the reaction, what we need? We need two things. Okay, one is hormones. Okay, another is nervous system. Both hormones and nervous system helps us to react towards the stimulus. Okay, so let me give you a quick recap of what we have studied now. Okay, so first we have understood what is the definition of control and coordination. Okay, then we have understood what is stimulus. Stimulus is what? It is any environmental changes around the organism, that is stimulus. Okay, we have also understood about the temperature. Okay, temperature is the example of the stimulus, as well as pH. Changing in the pH of soil is also an stimulus for the plants. Okay, that we have understood here, definition of stimulus. Next, coming further, we have understood how does plant respond to the stimulus. They respond to the stimulus with the help of hormones. That also we have understood. Now we have again we have understood after that how does animals respond to the stimulus. They respond by two ways. One is with the help of hormones and with the help of nervous system. That is it. Thank you.